Oh. Oh, there we go.
To that one.
Yeah.
Well, if you want to go up.
Welcome back to the channel. Tonight I'm out camping with an Englishman and an Irishman. Camping in South Wales. Gonna set up the hammocks here, cook up some good steaks and have a good time, so why not come along for the ride? You say hello?
You're right.
That's the Englishman, that's the Irishman in Wales. Gonna get set up here.
I can't get too comfortable, I won't get up. Hot straight away.
Yeah. I think this underquilt might be a bit tight.
Nice.
Look around.
Yeah, I might put mine a little bit lower to be honest.
Stick, 5 feet tall, put the side up. If we both done that, we'd be facing the fire. That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it?
Like a first date.
Oh.
Sleep. Oh. That's good.
Almost set up now. Should have brought my gloves. Happens every time. Feeling nice and toasty under the tarp. I just used some sticks for pegs. The tarp is looking nice and taut after a bit of effort. Can't wait to start a fire. Fill that back in.
Yeah.
Good morning.
So I'll get mine out quick and we'll just...
Yeah. You're gonna put your hand on it by accident. We've just dug the fire pit here, about 6 inches deep. Time to get some firewood. Oh, it's been an evening.
Wet. That.
Chuck it down if you want.
Yeah.
Chuck it if you want.
We're gonna need a lot more firewood tonight though, ain't we?
I think maybe get it going. I might boil some water in the mug, in the pot.
I got my jet boy on that as well.
Yeah, put the potatoes on the edge of the. Turn them every 20 minutes. I'm sure I got a creak in my shoulder now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. It feels very isolated, you know what I mean? Like a knot or something.
Must use your light.
Yeah. Oh, you get a long one though. So dry. For dinner, we're having some baked potatoes. So we're going to cover them in tin foil because they're going to take a while. And then we got steaks to go along with that, and crispy onions. And you got mushrooms?
Mushrooms, yeah.
You got mushrooms. It's going to be a good one. Just going to pierce the potatoes with a fork, then wrap them up in tin foil individually. That should give them the best chance of cooking evenly. A double wrap it, just in case. Later on, got some rump steak to go with that. These baked potatoes, gotta be amazing. Got some black pepper, some crispy onions, loads of butter, and a full packet of cheese. That's gonna be so good. Just put the baked potatoes on. They're gonna take an hour at least. Oh, dinner's gonna be so good. Can't wait. It's time to boil some water for coffee. I have to go get some first. I've got this frying pan. I'm going to try and season it on the fire. Wish me luck. I've got some vegetable oil to season it from the bottom and the top. So this could be fun. Yeah, it's getting pretty wet. There you go.
Oh, I can smell them.
Oh, this one's ripped. It's cremated. It's ripped. It's no good. Oh, this one's the same. No.
Too hot.
No, it's cremated. Oh, it's cremated. No way. Oh man. The spuds were a massive fail. Didn't have enough tin foil. Just some butter to cook with?
I've got a stick here. I'll just on top.
You sure? Might as well. I can just throw it out like if you want to throw that in.
Yeah?
Yeah. I have no potatoes for it now. These mushrooms smell good. I've just got the fire down to some coals. Time to cook up some mushrooms and steak. Unfortunately, the jacket potatoes, they were cremated. It's nice cooking on the embers, cook it on the coals.
No truth. Yeah.
Crispy onions?
Huh?
Crispy onions? Can't beat them.
See.
Bit of salt, pepper. All done. That was good. We're just discussing the trees and how we have to sleep underneath them. The trees, like, they're a bit springy looking. We're like having a debate to see who's got the more unstable trees.
I think I got the most unstable.
Knowing it doesn't actually matter because they're like 50 feet long. So we probably both die or we both live. Hopefully live.
Updates in the morning.
Yeah.
That is making me nervous.
I don't think the camera does it justice. But this guy says he regularly camps on trees on the hammock that are swaying. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that in this sort of situation I might be in a tent far away from big trees. But the fire feels great, that's the main thing. If I hear a big crack in the middle of the night, I'm just going to be dapping it out of here. We're like expert tree watchers. It's the skinny ones that worry me the most. They're up there like a spring.
Oh no, I think it's the big ones that rock that make me nervous. Like, why are they rocking? You should be rocking.
That's me going to sleep now, trying out this new synthetic blanket. It's a lightweight blanket, and to be honest, it's pretty warm. Like, it's gonna be great for summertime use. So I'll check back in the morning. Good night. Oh, it's nearly 9 o'clock. I had a good enough sleep. The weather settled down, so it did get pretty calm. Just chilling in the hammock for a bit. Getting kind of hungry though. Oh, just lay in for another wee while there. Gonna try a dehydrated breakfast. You have to put cold water in it and let it sit for 15 minutes. So that'll be interesting. Let's give this a go. 600 calorie breakfast. It smells alright. It smells like a factory. A food factory. Eyeball this. Let that sit for a while. How you getting on, man?
Good.
Good.
Pot noodle for breakfast.
Pot noodle. Much less calories on this breakfast. We're getting eaten alive by midges at the minute. Just gonna try and light a fire here because it's so damn bad with the midges. So I got plenty of dry stuff. No fire lighters, but I think a lighter will be enough. Nice. That stuff is like chewy baby food. It tastes very nutty and very strong of cranberry. It wouldn't quite be bacon and eggs though. I think that's the next plan for the next time.
You know what? We would have had bacon.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Ready?
Nice. Just gonna put out the fire here using some water. I might have to do a couple of trips, and then when it's properly cold we'll cover it back in. All packed up now, leaving no trace. Covered the fire pit, put some moss on it. You genuinely wouldn't know there was a fire pit there last night or this morning. That was a pretty relaxing one. It was a bit windy, a bit wet, but it did settle down around 2 in the morning. So we got pretty good sleep. Just double checking we have all our rubbish and then we're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Till next time, good luck, take it easy. We're just leaving and we noticed a whole pile of cans, so I've got plenty of room in my rubbish bag, so I'm just going to lift these cans on the way out.